Hey guys, let's do this common character count 2. I have 6 hours left. So what the question says is, given an array of strings, find the number of common characters shared by all the strings. That is, this has A B C C, A D C A. So here A and C, A and C, and A and C. These three are commons. So we have three common characters, which has two ones, two A's, and one C. Okay, so how do I start? Right, I think I can first record the number of A's and number of C's in a map. If I add all of these in a map, and then in the next one, if I decrease the count and increase the count of that character, it doesn't help, because so there should be a different instances of different numbers. I'm just thinking out of my head. Let's see, an array of string which contains all the lower English characters, right? So if that's it, then what we can do is int array of all the characters C is new int array of 26. So there are 26 letters. Then what we can do is, let's say we have to find somehow the common between this, and the same common applies to this third, and it progresses forward, right? So let's say at first all our common words are whatever coming from the first letter. So if we do that, then for every character C, because C is already used, so I just name it A. That is basically for every characters in the first string of our given array of strings, right? The first string and two characters. So what we do is C of A minus 97 plus plus. So now it will be like, okay, 97 is A, B is 98, if that's just the ASCII characters, and so we just increase its value till 26. A to Z is 26. Okay, now what we can do is, now since all the values in C are common, what we can do from next one is, we'll just see how many, for every string on the remaining arrays, we'll see how many matches, how many. So for that, one thing is, we don't need to start from here, because all the characters in A also matches all the characters in A, so everything will be common. So let's do that. That means for int I equals to 0 till I less than x star, then if we consider all the values in A are common, how do we map if A and these are common? So we need to somehow find out, okay, these are common and D is not common. So we can, if we decrease the count, one thing we can do is, let's add all the elements in another array, int array of T, like before, is equals to new int array of 26, right? Then for every character A in si.to char array, what we're going to do is, if that value is already present in our all common values, C is basically our common, so if that is present, then we can increase the count. Basically what we can do is, if this T A minus 97 will be, if the value in C of A minus 97 is greater, let's say there are two A's and this one only occurred one A, that means T of A minus 97 is greater than this 2. If C is still okay, we put 1, it's just 1, and the next time it will be 2 if there are two 2's. Then if that's the case, then what we do is plus 1 else 0, we increase this value by 1 if the values in this first character, and okay, it doesn't matter, let's say if this is 1, but if this value and if this value, we are comparing these two, and if the two a's are already a common value, then we put only two a's in t, that way. And now the common characters will be all the values that let's say if there is a d coming in from this character, but there was no d here, so c of a minus 97, if it was a d character on the d space, it will be on the fourth c of 3, it will basically be 0. So since 0 and 1, since this character is present, we don't add it, we just make it to 0, so the d won't be there. Now what we'll do is the common character is this d, right? And in the next one, all the common character comes in here, all the common character from these two are there. Now we can start from 0, I don't think it matters. Now we know all the values in here are common in C, so for int I equals 0 till I less than 26, I plus plus, what we'll do is int r. Still what I can do is I can do int r comma c array is equals to int array 26, just I, we don't need to do this since this is a code golf. So then what I'll do, I'll make a count r plus is equals to c of I, it restores all the values, and then I'll do r c of I. Yeah, let's see. Okay, everything passed. Now let's try to reduce the count, reduce all this. Since I was, oh, I don't know why it passed, it should have failed because I was already declared here. So we have 235. Now if I submit, I'll be somewhere around here, but let's make it a little bit better. Let's see how we can do that. Yeah, do we need to make, yeah, we need to, so t is equals to new this. For every string in S, what we'll do, we'll do a P P dot to char array, and then C of A. Yeah, this should also work fine. Yeah, let's remove this. We have this. 223. Where are we now? 223. We are here. Two 19. 214. We are here. What else can we do? What else? What else? One other way we can do is, I think, we can, if this I is 0, if this I is 0, if I is 0, that is less than 1, if I is 0, then we'll just add it to 1. If we do that, else we'll make this. I don't think we need this anymore. No. Okay. I think, yeah, I plus this. So I just did, okay, t plus 0 is always 0. Oh, this is an array. Okay. Okay. So now, how am I going to increase the I? So at first it will be here. This is the first array, and as soon as it's done, I'll make it. I already have that anyways. Let me just do this. Okay, yeah. 185. Now we are here, right? How do I add R? How do I add R? I think there is a possibility, but not too sure how. If I do R here, this is the basic idea. 0 times R plus plus 0 times R plus plus There. I think it increased again, right? The size. The older one was better. What was our previous one? I'll just take a copy of this and I'll just go back. Let me see what I had done before. Oh, okay, that was, I think that was better. Whatever we did. I didn't remember the count. Anyways, I should have submitted it. I don't have any solutions yet. Let me submit this. I don't want to show you my face here, that's why. I'll do some update and then maybe post it later. That's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed code golfing. That's how you decrease the size of the code. Sometimes you get lucky, things come up in your mind, sometimes it doesn't. Right? That's it.